Example 3 says, how many ounces of a 10% acid solution should be mixed with a 35% acid solution to produce 50 ounces of a 25% solution? So we need to go ahead and start with our variables. We are looking for the number ounces of 10% solution and a number of ounces of 35% solution. So let's go and use x and let x equal the number of ounces of the 10% acid solution. And let's let y equal the number of ounces of the 35% acid solution. Then what we need to do is come up with our equations in part B. What we want altogether is 50 total ounces. So we'll take the number of ounces here plus the number of ounces for this solution in order to get 50. And it will look like this. X plus y equals 50. In our second equation, we want percents of all of them. X is a 10% solution, so we're going to multiply x by 0.1. Y is the 35% solution, so we'll multiply y by 0.35. And our final number, our 50 here, we want that 50 ounces to be a 25% solution. So we also have to multiply the 50 by 25%. So we have 0.25 times 50. So in the second equation, notice that each of our variables and our numbers from above gets multiplied by the percent that we want of it. Now in part C, we can go ahead and solve. So what I'm going to do, I have x plus y equal to 50, 0.1x plus 0.35y equal to, and I'm going to go ahead and just multiply these two and bring it down here. So 0.25 times 50 will give me 12.5. And now I can solve part C using that elimination method. So I'm going to eliminate my x's by multiplying the top by a negative 0.1. Doing that, I get negative 0.1x minus 0.1y equal to negative 5. Keeping the bottom the same, I have 0.1x plus 0.35y equal to 12.5. And I can add these two together now. Negative 0.1 and 0.1 are going to cancel. Negative 0.1y plus 0.3y will give me 0.25y. And negative 5 plus 12.5 is 7.5. Then I can divide both sides by 0.25. And I get an answer that y is equal to 30. Well, if y is equal to 30 and x plus y is equal to 50, so y is 30, that means x has to be 20. And then my final answer, I'm going to have to go and write my complete sentence. So for my complete sentence, I can write down, you should mix 30 ounces of 35% acid solution with 20 ounces of 10% acid solution to make 50 ounces of 25% acid solution.